Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you are in this world, this is Hejin Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. A little bounce is currently taking place, and that bounce was predicated based on the oversold nature of the MACD. The key here is again to see which direction price will take. We are coming to a critical junction. And that critical junction could be this triangle, which by the way is a pretty good support. The bottom line of the triangle. It went up and it had been bouncing off this support line. And I think that's pretty interesting because if that's the case, we should get A, B, C, D, and E. We finished A, we finished B, and then we finished C, and now D is on its way. And then after that, E. We need to get an E confirmation. And that E confirmation will give the completion of this pattern, but then the confirmation pattern has two stages. Completion of the pattern and then the confirmation of the pattern. Confirmation of the pattern will show an impulse set of waves, of Elliott waves, similar to something like this. I am putting here 26,000 target. I'm on the $30,000 target here. Now that's one way of one primary account that I have, which is my primary account here, ABCDE, and the resulting Elliott waves that we can get. Now the other modality, top alternate account, again, is going to be, as I've shown this before, I'm only reviewing it so I can show you one more later. Now this is very interesting in that there was a bit of a bullish wick right here. And a bullish wick means price briefly pierces the bottom line. But not only that, it comes right back in. Again, that was owed to the oversold nature as shown by the MACD. A, B, C, D, and E. Price will go A, B, C, D, E. And if this is the correct count, we could get something like this. This would be a very large A, B, C. Target of this would be many people will say, oh my God, 65.90. The way I see it is if you got plenty of cash, wow, what a bargain sale. There's a very difference in how you see it, how you perceive it, from the stance of fear and greed versus confidence and awareness. If you are now aware of this, once we get to E and we get that confirmation, the price starts declining, you want to raise some cash. I constantly maintain 10 to 15% of my portfolio as cash so I can buy the bargain basement sale prices. Now I want to share one more pattern that I've been noticing. And that is how price is bouncing off the support line. So this means that if this is a broadening pattern, quite often what I call the jaws of wealth, and if this is the jaws of wealth, it's another, the official name of this pattern is called a broadening pattern. And the broadening pattern here shows that when it hits the top, goes to the bottom. When it hits the top, now look here, 1, 2, 3. So it touched 1, 2, twice, 3 times. Touching here once, twice, and now the third time. And this is very interesting. if this is the case, after the third touch from the top, it went straight down to the bottom line. Now it's touched once, twice, thrice to the bottom line. It would be ideal to see and that brings it to close to within my 30,000 target. That would be very interesting to see. $32,778. I hope this makes sense to you. I have shown this Jaws of Wealth pattern quite a few times now with many other coins. And I wanted to share this with you. I thought it was very interesting on 3 touches on the top. Now that we have 3 touches on the bottom, and we have the MACD ready to go. To at least enable the first wave up. So what's the key here? We need to see a higher high. That's why wave 1 is critical. Wave 1 would equate to a higher high. Let's see how it goes. All right. I hope this has been very informative to you and helpful, and that is my objective. The objective of my blog is to help and do no harm. It doesn't mean I won't be stupid about it. I mean, I always tell my kids, never go out of your way to hurt people. Always be kind, but don't be stupid about it. Now, having said that, a lot of people have responded, and I'm trying to fill as many of the needs possible. If you feel that coaching with me, and I'm pretty confident that it would truncate your learning curve, please give me a shout out at yahoo.com, hedging_crypto at yahoo.com. And I'll be happy to see how I can help. Okay, have a great day. I'm really busy today. I'm going to see if I can do updates maybe in the early afternoon. Thank you and have a good day.